see you there. But here, my video is all about Wimpy Kid Review. These are all my books. So, the first book I have received from my mother. She bought me this. The title is The Last Straw. And I really like this book because it's about him. And it was like after Christmas, January, New Year's Day, and it was really nice. So I like this part because it's like summer, and then I really felt sad for Rowley because Greg kept on, what do you call this? He kept on making fun of Rowley like he's the owner of Rowley, like that, some things like that. So this is The Last Straw. It's color green, dark green, the normal green. So for the next book, we have Dog Days number 4. I don't know where's the number 1 because it was lost. And the Dog Days we have is summer. And this book is for Jonathan. I don't know who is he, but I think it's friends. And this was about like books that his mother made because he has not a lot of friends, Greg. So his mother made a book club all about that. But the books Greg wanted, was not what the mother liked. She would rather pick me and my mommy silly playgroup activities, how to find garden berries, Charlotte's Web, and his mother won't allow him to bring this book, Shadow, Doom, Dark Realms. So this is actually a nice story also. And he had all these remembrance from summer, best summer ever. So you can read that. Yeah, this is all of it. Best friends. For our next book, we have The Cabin Fever. And this was the book number 6. I got this book from Santa Claus. I think it was Christmas last year. We had this. And this was the story To Ticino. And this story was about his baby toy when he was younger. And he suddenly lost it for long days again. So here we have the back part. So, I don't know what's that. I just left that there. So, for my next book, it's Hard Luck. So, I like this story and I got this newly. This is the newest book I got this year. This is my newest book. And I like this story because it's like all about the things about 8 balls. You know 8 balls, like you shake it, you ask a question and shake it and it tells you your answer. But no math questions, guys. So like that. And it's also about when it was Easter and then his grandma lost her ring, and everyone was so surprised. They really wanted to know where they put it. So this is about Hard Luck. For my last book, it's Do It Yourself book. I like this, and now with even more. Yay! I really like this because you make this thing like here. You can like do this, write things like this. Have you ever gotten a haircut that was so bad you needed to stay home from school? No. You get to answer those things. And then this really annoyed me, this projects activity pages. Intel- Intelligence tester. Do this mate? Check if you see if you're dumb or smart. Finish. If you can finish this, you're smart, and if you can't, you're dumb. He's a Dumbo because there's no way you can pass. See, this is no hole, it's a straight line. So I like this take friendship, vulnerability, and then those are my friends. Like, I like this parts also here. I forgot where's the ones that we filled in the blanks before. But there was like this thing like, what's your story? Don't be that. That's ugly. So I'm trying to find where's the one that I answered. Where is it? Oh wait, here. The amazing fart bullies. One night in the bathroom. Fart bullies, you're under arrest. Why? Because you fart. Tell it to the... I did not fart. Tell it to the judge. That really fun. Okay. So this is do it yourself book. And in the ending it's really cool because you get to write your own book. So see, these are the things you answer. So this is the do it yourself book, and this is all. So this is my last book. And here are all my books in Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So thank you, and please subscribe and watch my sister's Dork Diaries book review. So thank you for everything. Like this and comment down below what is your favorite the Diary of a Wimpy Kid book series, and then please subscribe, and also you can comment what is your favorite book, all of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.